Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a craft haul video and a card share video. I have items that I purchased from Scrapbook.com, from HSN, and I believe that's it. So let's get started. So from HSN, I picked up these Anna Griffith mini birthday sticker and sentiments, 60 sentiments and 60 embellishments. So I was very excited about this, wanting this. I couldn't wait for it to get here, and it finally came. And I'm going to show you, I put some few of the ephemera pieces and the sentiments in this box here. And it has with best wishes, best birthday wishes, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, it's your day, and birthday greetings. So super cute. I'm trying not to say super cute as much in my videos. I listened to that last video I did, and I must have said super cute 1,000 times. So then here's a couple of pieces of the ephemera. You got the bottle, and then the really pretty ephemera. Look at that. Different colors. A little cupcake. And then a cupcake on a stand. And I really like this. So then that's really cute. And birthday present. And another cupcake. And then a cake on a stand. And then it's like a, I'm not sure exactly what this is called, but I like it. And then a champagne flute, and then a really pretty cake. Sorry about the glare. So that's the Anna Griffin mini birthday stickers and sentiments, and you get 60 sentiments and 60 embellishments. So awesome deal. It's got that from HSN, and then from Scrapbook.com, I just need to not order anything from them anymore because I keep ordering and ordering, but I don't know. So first up, I picked up these two floral pieces from Prima. This goes with the Frank Garcia's 31 collection. One is 12 piece. There's the bigger ones. And then here's the 24 piece. And then some of it's made out of the paper from the collection. Really pretty flowers. Got those. And then I picked up this 50-piece ephemera collection from Peaceful Heart. And this is by Jen Hadfield. I really like her style. And this is really just florals and leaves to make those really easy cards. Really like this a lot too. I like everything a lot. That's what I bought, I guess. So then I have some 12x12 paper. So this is from the Peaceful Heart collection. This is called Blessed. It's Jen Hatfield. It's double-sided with the diamond shapes and then the flowers. And then you have Tranquil with like the little koi fish. And then these really pretty stripes on the back. I like these too. I should have got 2 sheets of this. And then Vista. Oh, Balance. Sorry. Balance. And this is really pretty. And it has just kind of like a swirly pattern on the back. And then they have Vista, which several different companies have put out something of this design, some type of design like this. And on the back it has these really pretty white birds. Really nice. And then this one is Follow Your Dreams with the butterfly. And then the big piece of wood on the back. I love this, but most likely I would never use this because it's so big. But I mean, it would be pretty, I guess, on a card, but of course I purchased it for this. And then this one is called Breathe Deeply. Like that. Has these little tiny dots on it on the back with that green. And then this is from her Hey Hello collection, I think. No, this is Peaceful Heart, sorry. This one's called Good Things, and this is the cut parts, yeah. This is really pretty. And then on the back you have these, like a grid paper book, you know, journal, or not a journal, ledger, yeah, like a ledger. It's really nice. It says, slow down, breathe deep, take time. And then from the Hey Hello collection, this is Yellow Rose. Really striking. And then on the back, this is from Jen Hadfield's Reaching Out. This is peace. I always like the peace sign, so I got that. And then on the back it has this red base and then the white little hearts. And then this last one is the Blossoms for You. It's from the Reaching Out collection. Pretty gingham. I like that. I like this too. So that's the paper that I purchased. So now I want to share with you really quickly a few cards that I made. These were basically from the Simple Stories collection, the vintage, what is it called? Vintage, man, I can't remember, Lemon Twist. I think that's a Simple Lemon Twist. So I made a few cards. I made this one. And this is using that Anna Griffin ephemera. And then I put this cute little bow on it. Simple card. And then this paper is just so pretty. You really don't need much to make a pretty card. I hadn't even put any gems or anything on this. And then once again I used the Anna Griffin stickers, and then I backed it with a black square to kind of pop it out a little bit. And then, let's see, I made a little ATC card. Used one of my embossing folders, and then this piece of chipboard, and this is a chipboard, and this is a chipboard piece, a little heart, and then I popped some Nouveau drops on it. I think that's cute. And I think this is my favorite card. I used a chipboard piece, these three, and then just one of the, I guess kind of like the journaling squares from the paper collection. Such a different color combination, and I really like that. That one. And then last but not least, this one. Once again, the paper kind of takes the main show here. And then again, one of the Anna Griffin sentiments. And then I put a couple of Nouveau drops on it, black. And then the I cut out with my punch this little scallop design. I thought that kind of brought out the sentiment better. And then this cute little heart. So that's it. So tell me what you think of the cards. Which one do you like the best? Or do you like the ATC? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. To all my subscribers, thank you as always. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.